Pan-fried radicchio is a simple and quick Venetian side dish, with a slightly bitter taste softened by caramelization. Let's see how to prepare it together. For this recipe, we will need 1 or 2 heads of red radicchio from Treviso or Chioggia radicchio, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, if desired, salt and black pepper, and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar or red wine, if desired. We start by cleaning the radicchio, removing the most damaged outer leaves and cutting it in half lengthwise. Rinse it under running water. Cut the radicchio into not too thin strips. Heat the extra virgin olive oil in a pan, and, if desired, add a clove of garlic for flavor. Let it brown and then remove it. Add the radicchio to the pan and sauté over medium-high heat for a few minutes until it has wilted. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Towards the end of cooking, you can add a drizzle of balsamic vinegar or red wine for a sweet and sour note. Continue cooking until the liquids have evaporated and the radicchio is well caramelized. Serve the radicchio hot as a side dish for meat or fish main courses. Enjoy your meal. To discover more delicious and simple recipes, subscribe to our channel and visit our website. We look forward to seeing you. Red radicchio, in addition to being pan-fried, is also excellent in salads or as an ingredient for risottos and pastas, giving a touch of unique color and flavor.